Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher.
Where are you from?
I from UK.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a university student.
Is she a doctor?
No, she is a nurse.
Are you a married?
No, I am a single.